Up next on Tony's Everyday Life, watch as I make my way through a treacherous snowstorm. I'm kind of cutting my hunting trip short. I got back to where I was camping and kind of looked into it a little bit, and looks like there's going to be some accumulations of up to 24 inches in places of this wet white stuff here, snow. So I'm going to play it safe, make sure I get it home for Christmas, and hopefully we don't have any problems along the way. This is just happening in the last about 20 minutes at the most. Definitely going to be a good decision to get out of here. I think that I love deer hunting, but I really love my family more, so I know they seem to love me, so I better get back. We got to get through Hannigan's Meadow tonight. They don't plow the roads weekends and nights up here, so I'm on my own. Yeah, wish me luck. It's not supposed to get too heavy in Hannigan, from what I've read, till about midnight, 1 o'clock, and then it's on. There's no holding back after that. So hopefully I don't endure any problems. If I see anybody along the way enduring problems, I'll definitely stop for them and see if I can give them any assistance and then get out of there and get home. Wish me luck. Nothing like another 2 hours, 3 hours of driving in this warp speed. Snow. Small problem with LED headlights. They don't thaw the snow. You gotta keep every about a mile and a half, 2 miles. I'm having to clean off the lenses just so I can keep seeing. Snow's getting a little bit better. It's a little less deep, only about 4 to 6 inches now, not 12. I'm pushing into Alpine, and you can see that we still got quite a bit of snow. This is a great snow right before Christmas. I've been pushing anywhere from probably 5 inches upwards of 10, maybe even 11 inches in places. Even met one person, I don't know what they were thinking, driving a 2-wheel drive truck, didn't even make it maybe 15 miles out of Alpine, and he's out of gas and stuck in a 2-wheel drive truck and waiting for his friends in a 2-wheel drive car to come rescue him from Hannigan. They'll never make it. There's at least that 10 to 11 inches over there. They're not going to push that in a little car. He didn't want to leave his truck, so he opted to stay there. Otherwise, I would have given him a ride. But, when you pass a gas station that says roads are not plowed, you leave in a 2-wheel drive truck with no gas, I don't know what he was thinking, but it's not very smart. Heck, I've got a quarter of a tank, and I'm going to fill up in Alpine just to get home to Lakeside. I like the state plowing and all, but I don't know why they left a windrow in the middle of the road. It sure is a mess, whatever they're doing. I've plowed a lot of snow, and I've never taken it and put it the way they are. This windrow is actually in the northbound lane. I'm driving in the southbound lane right now towards Treacherous, so this is the worst I just, no words for it. I don't know if it's a new driver, somebody's scared, I don't know what the deal is, but this is crazy. I just passed about 5 miles back, maybe 10 miles back, 2 snowplows running in tandem, and yet the road that here is not plowed. There's windrows where they did drop their plow in the lane that you're supposed to be traveling. Just don't get what the state is doing